Hi everyone, Jason here from Robot Lawnmowers Australia. Check out our website at www.robotlawnmowers.com.au. Today we're just going to have a quick unboxing video for our Exgain E1800. The box itself is 19 kilos, 79 centimeters long by 51 centimeters wide by 31 centimeters high. Let's get in the box and have a look what's in it. Sitting in the top is the perimeter wire, 100 meters of perimeter wire. Product manual on the side. The mower. It's quite a bit smaller than the other models, this mower, which is quite good. Got your 100 ground pegs, 4 pegs for the charging station, some above ground connectors, the pins for the charging station, and 1 set of spare cutting blades, and the power cord for the charging station. And the charging station itself. Okay, this charging station is IP54. It is weatherproof and does not require any cover over the top. So I'll just lay all these items out again. So you've got the charging station, the power cable for the charging station, the transformer. The transformer is IP65, so it's fine outside as well. It's about 8 meters long. We've got the charging pins. These just screw into the front of the charging station here that make contact with the mower. We've got 1 set of spare blades, 100 round pegs for pegging down the perimeter wire. We've got the 100 meters of perimeter wire, 4 pegs for pinning down the charging station, 10 connectors for the wire, the manual and the mower. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching this little video. Once again, visit our website www.robotlawnmowers.com.au, and yeah, if you've got any questions, just send us an email or give us a call on the phone. Thanks for watching.